Conversation 56. To buy a birthday present. What are you getting Jim for his birthday?
I don't know yet.
You can always get him a shirt.
But I got him one last year.
Oh, that's right. Let me think.
I want to get him something different.
How about a briefcase?
Good idea. His briefcase is getting old.
And it's something he'll use every day.
Of course. Why didn't I think of that?
Conversation 57. Telephone. Hello.
Hello, is Mary there?
I'm sorry, you have the wrong number.
Oh. Is this 685-5290?
No, it's not.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Conversation 58. A light eater.
Would you like anything else? You haven't eaten very much.
No, thanks. I'm already full.
Oh, come on. Have some more.
No, I really can't. I've never been much of an eater.
Have some coffee then.
That would be nice.
How do you take it?
With sugar please, no cream.
Here you are.
Thank you. Conversation 59. A nice flat. 1.
This is a nice flat.
MMM.
There is a living room. There is a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom, and there is a bidet.
What is a bidet?
It's like a toilet, only better. I'll let you figure it out.
Well, none of my friends have a bidet, and even if I don't know what it is, they will be jealous when I tell them. Conversation 60. A nice flat. 2.
Well, here's the kitchen.
It's very small.
Yes, it isn't very large, but there is a cooker and a fridge. There are some cupboards under the sink.
Are there any plates?
Yes, there are.
Good. Are there any chairs in here?
No, there aren't, but there are some in the living room.
There aren't any glasses.
Yes, there are. They're in the cupboard.
And? Where's the toilet? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel, Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.